Welcome to Vision Academy. In today's video, we are going to learn something extremely powerful and beginner-friendly. If you've ever wondered how creators generate consistent character videos, story-based animations, or Pixar-style scenes using meta.ai, this tutorial is for you. Before we begin, let's have a quick look at the video generated using meta.ai. As you can see, the results are incredibly smooth, consistent, and visually appealing. And in this video, you will learn exactly how to create this kind of seamless video from scratch, even if you're a complete beginner. So let's start the tutorial.
In this video, we will learn how to use meta.ai step by step. You will understand how to generate stories, how to create scene-wise images, how to turn those images into videos, and how to finally combine all those videos into a single, consistent output.
Let's begin by opening a web browser and searching for ChatGPT. If you are not logged in, go ahead and log in with your account. Once you're inside ChatGPT, click on the message box and type the following prompt. Give me a horror story with consistent characters in Pixar style. After typing the prompt, click on the Submit button. ChatGPT will now generate a complete horror story with the same characters appearing throughout the narrative, presented in a Pixar-style format. This story will become the base for all the images and videos we will generate. Once the story is ready, scroll down to the message box and type another prompt. Type, "Give me image prompts for each scene to create images." Then click on Submit. ChatGPT will now break your story into multiple scene-wise descriptions and generate a separate image prompt for each scene. These image prompts will help meta.ai generate consistent visuals. Now we need video prompts, so type the next message. Type, "Give me prompts to generate videos using these images." Then click on the Submit button. ChatGPT will now generate detailed video prompts for each scene, which we will paste into meta.ai later. Now let's move to meta.ai. Open a new browser tab and search for meta.ai. Click on the official link to open the website. On the meta.ai homepage, look at the bottom left-hand side of the screen. You will find the Login button. Click on Login. Now you can log in using either your Instagram or Facebook account. I will log in using my Facebook account. Once you are logged in, look for the plus icon. Click on the plus icon and then choose the Create option. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Return to meta.ai and paste the prompt into the text box that says Describe your image. From the drop-down menu, make sure you choose the Image option. Now click on the aspect ratio selection. You can choose 1:1, 9:16, or 16:9. I will choose 16:9 for this example. After choosing the aspect ratio, click on the Submit button. Meta.ai will now generate for you 4 different images. Look at the images carefully and choose the one you like the most. Below the selected image, you will see an Animate button. You will also find an option called Custom Animate. I will choose Custom Animate. Now go back to ChatGPT again and copy the first video prompt. Return to meta.ai and paste this prompt into the text box that says Describe your animation. If you want, you can click on the Add Music button and add background music to your animation. This step is completely optional. After that, click on the Animate button. Meta.ai will now generate your first animated video clip. Once the clip is ready, download the video onto your computer. Now click on Open File and play the video. Go to the last part of the video, click on Edit in Photos, and choose the option Save Photo from Video. This will save the final frame of your video as an image, which we will use for creating the next video clip. Save this image onto your computer. Go back to Meta.ai. This time, don't forget to choose the video option from the drop-down menu. Now upload the image that was just generated. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second video prompt. Return to Meta.ai and paste the prompt into the animation text box and click on Animate. Again, once the video is generated, download it onto your computer. Click on Open File, play the video, move to the last part of the video, click on Edit in Photos and choose the option Save Photo from Video, and save the image again. Let me repeat this step for your convenience. Select the video option in Meta.ai and click on Upload Image. Select the newly generated image, go back to ChatGPT, and copy the third video prompt. Return to Meta.ai, paste the prompt into the animation text box, and click on Animate. Download the video once it is ready. You can create the remaining videos using the same procedure. Copy each new prompt, upload the final frame from the previous clip, paste the prompt, animate, download. Repeat. Once all the video clips are created, it's time to combine them. Now let's open a video editor. You can use any video editor you like. I will use a free video editor called Shotcut. You can download and install Shotcut on your computer completely free of cost. When Shotcut opens, import all the videos you generated using Meta.ai. Drag each video clip onto the timeline and arrange them one after another. Now play the timeline and observe how the character consistency is perfectly maintained. There are no breaks, no sudden changes. Everything flows smoothly, just like a professional animated short film. Once you are satisfied with the final sequence, click on Export and save the complete video onto your computer. Now it's time to watch the video. Enjoy the full animation created entirely with Meta.ai, ChatGPT, and a simple free video editor. This is the complete beginner-friendly workflow for generating consistent Pixar-style videos with Meta.ai.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Vision Academy for more AI tutorials and creative tools. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.